How to not get kicked for AFK in Roblox. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So first of all, you can do is use your auto clicker. Works in most games. Like an auto clicker simulates mouse clicks, so the game thinks you are active. Download a free auto clicker like JS auto clicker or OP auto clicker. Set it to click every 5 to 30 seconds and start it while your game is running. And click somewhere harmless so you don't accidentally trigger something. Or you can use an in-game AFK feature, like some games have built-in AFK zones or AFK options like Pet Simulator X, Blocks Fruits, or Mining Simulator. Look for a zone labeled AFK zone or a settings in the menu. These areas usually prevent kicks and let you earn rewards passively. And you can also try move your character periodically. Even basic movement can keep you in the game, like tap WASD or jump every few minutes. You can place something light like tape or a coin on your keyboard to keep a key pressed. Or you can use macros or keyboard tools on Windows or Mac. Tools like Tiny Task or Pullovers macro creators can record simple actions like moving your mouse, pressing a key, clicking occasionally, then you can just loop it. And let me give you some important notes, like never use third-party hacks. These are against Roblox terms of service and can get you banned. And auto clickers and macros are genuinely safe, but always read the game rules. Some games have anti-AFK scripts you can't bypass. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.